to liquefy my Hydroproof, I've got some 4K wet in this little bowl. Got a fair amount, as you can see. And then I'm going to take some Coral Buff, which is a great warm Hydroproof tone, and I'm going to add it into the 4K wet and let it dissolve. I'm also going to include some wheat, which gives some fairer and yellow tones too. So I'll be scooping these out, and then I will be adding them into the liquid. You can take a fair amount of product. You can dissolve it into 4K wet really, really easily. Just keep mixing, pressing it to the side, however you want, until you get a thick, creamy consistency like this. You can always thin it down later, and you can always adjust the color as well, like I did here when I added some golden caramel to it. And here it is in the garden after I've painted it on. Here it is washing up or getting ready to wash up. You'll see that it's still waterproof and it's not going anywhere. There it is.